Hi everyone, here is the way to calculate the answer to the quiz question that you had on your take-home quiz. All right, so we have this question. We've been given 100 homes and an average of 900 kilowatt hours per month. 1 hectare, which is a unit of area, land area, it's like an acre, except in the metric system, can produce enough heat to generate 1/2 a megawatt of electricity, but each mirror has a capacity factor of 25. Capacity factor is how much energy a power plant actually produces on average versus what its potential amount of power that it could create is. So this means even though these mirrors, an acre of mirrors, could produce 1/2 a megawatt of electricity in theory, in practice, they are only going to produce 1/4 of that. So let's start figuring some of these things out. I'm going to start by saying we have 900 kilowatt hours per month. So it turns out that kilowatt hours are a unit of energy, whereas watts are a unit of power, which is like a rate. We are going to need to be looking at the amount of the rate of energy that this power plant can produce. So we're going to need to eliminate time out of kilowatt hours. So to do that, we can convert months to hours. So 30 days times 24 hours per day is 720 hours. So you could say that 900 kilowatt hours per month is the same as 900 kilowatt hours per 720 hours, and that eliminates hours. 72 goes into 90, or 720 goes into 900, 1 1/4 times, I believe. Oops. So we have 1.25 kilowatts is the rate that people used power. 1.25 kilowatts is the rate that people used power, and there were 10,000 homes. So that means 12500 kilowatts. Now we're going to need to figure out how many megawatts this ends up being. Well, the easiest way I can do this without making a mistake is to convert kilowatts to watts, and then from there to megawatts. So 12500 kilowatts times 1 watt, 1,000 watts, pardon me, per kilowatt equals 1250000, or 12,500,000 watts. Well, mega equals a million. 1,000,000, which means we need to divide this by a million, which gives us 12.5 megawatts is the capacity that we need. All right. the capacity of one, well, let's do it this way, 0.5 megawatts per hectare. Ha is the abbreviation for hectare. But we can only get a quarter of that actually output. That's what capacity factor means. That means we actually only get 1.125 megawatts per hectare. And as you can see, 0.125 is easily divisible into 12.5, and this means to get 12.5 megawatts we need 100 hectares to get this answer. Or another way to think about it is divide 125 into 12.5, and that's 100 hectares. All right, I hope this helps, and good luck with your calculations.